Backup and restoration of database with multiple files. Backup and restoration of database with multiple files for restoring the backupfile.gbk to multiple files, database 1 to base 2 to base 3, smiley face, try, gbak our backupfile.gbk database 1 size, database 2 size, database 3 size. Size means the number of pages. The page size may be 1024, 2048, 4196, or 8192. Default is 1024. Don't worry about the count of database files when backup it. Note: if you expect that .gbk file will be too big for operation system, use gsplit to have a backup in separated .gbk files. gbak databasefile.gdb stdout gsplit split file 1.gbk size file 2.gbk size means the size in megabytes. Then to rejoin the backup files for a restore, gsplit join file 1.gbk file 2.gbk gbak our backupfile.gbk database 1 size, database 2 size, database 3 size, smiley face, with best wishes, Perur.